and welcome to the channel. So I'm just going to jump straight in and talk about sponsorship before I get to the amount of money we made. So one of the ones you can visit is this website here. It's not the only one, but it's used by a lot of people. And if you just go Grapevine for Creators, so you click that, and then down here actually says how many followers or subscribers do you need to sign up. So you can do this for, I think, Instagram as well as YouTube. But when you click this, it does say normally you need 10,000 subscribers to be eligible. But actually, like they say here, even if you're a really small channel, people still might be interested. Companies still might be interested in you if they think your content's really good. And actually, I've signed up our channel already, and it does actually say you need 2,000 subscribers before you can look at any deals really. So anyone that's got over 2,000 subscribers, definitely worth checking out. And all you need to do is just click sign up now, and it takes you to this page here. And actually, if you can. If you have a brand, some kind of product or whatever it might be, you can also use this website, and you can get in touch with other YouTube channels, maybe bigger channels, and they can help promote. You obviously pay them some money and they can promote your product then. But as a YouTube channel, if you want to make some money, you just come here and then you can just click YouTube. And then it should take you to a sign up. But obviously, I've already signed up, and like I say here, it says you need a minimum of 2,000 subscribers to begin applying for the sponsored campaigns. So over to analytics. Now, obviously, this is 2019, so this was before we were monetized. We actually got monetized the 2nd of last month, so 2nd of September. So if we go to the last 28 days, £10, so it's in pounds, and then to look at the revenue, we'll click on the revenue tab. So in September we nearly made £8. In October this month we've actually already made £2.36. And obviously you can look at the breakdown. Some of that's the ad revenue, but quite a bit of that is actually transactional value, which is super chat. So this is money from things like membership and super chat stickers. But yeah, you can look at your RPM, so you can get like a rough idea of how much you'll get per 1,000 views. So here it's saying at the moment it's actually been going up as it's been recalculating it, but we should get about £2.55 per 1,000 views on a video. So you want to be focusing on how many views you can get on a video, not necessarily how many subscribers you get, because subscribers doesn't always equate to views. If those subscribers aren't actually watching your videos, that's not generating any money. So yeah, in September we made nearly £8. Even, like you can see, even with a really small channel, just over 1,000 subscribers, you can already be making a nice bit of money, and that's only going to go up as you keep growing your channel and getting more subscribers, making better content. And then, like I say, you can look at something like Grapevine to look for sponsorship. You can promote different companies' products, and they'll pay you an amount depending on how many subscribers you have. If you're a small channel, they won't be willing to pay you so much, but if you have a big channel, they might pay you more. So yeah, this is how much we've earned in our first month, which was September. And we've already earned a bit in October. So just like I say, focus on if you can get more views, and you want people to watch your videos all the way through if possible. So you want that watch time to be high, as you might have adverts throughout your video, and if they keep watching your videos all the way through, then they'll see more adverts and you'll get more money for that. So yeah, there we go, that's how much we earned, and hopefully we can keep earning more, and we'll keep you updated. We can maybe make another video like this in the future, showing how we've progressed, and if we get some sponsorship, like what we're making on that, and maybe some more tutorials on how to go about that. So yeah, if you're interested in following us and watching some of our other videos, please subscribe. Thank you for watching.